Hello guys. Ano naman tayo dito kasi nga love naman ang pag-uusapan natin. So, na-mention ko na din ito sa channel ko about Aiko and 1 Mig Bundok, no? So, may ano kasi silang interview ni Bernadette something. Ano ba yung ano niya? Kasi may ano siya, sinabi siya doon na endgame, 'di ba? Sinabi niya. So, sinabi ko din naman yun na endgame sila. Actually, it's my writing na sinabi ko na endgame. Kasi nga nakikita ko sa kanila na sila talaga, no? Sila. Kasi, pero nasa sa inyo pa rin yan, no? Na if you really want to be in that same path. Kasi, life is life, There's contrast, there's negativity, there's always polarity in life. So, dapat, in your mind, ano mo na siya, parang there's already a potential na that could happen, but it will only happen if you keep on thinking about it. What you put in your mind can do. And especially if you put too much energy on thinking about the negative side, it can reflect in your reality. So, how to make your life more easier is to really choose in your mind that this is the path I want, that I want to build a good family with this person, that I want to take like a good perspective in life, that no matter what we have to think about is our baseline feeling towards each other, that we love each other, we support each other, you have the compassion to listen, to understand, ganon. Dapat ganon, no? Huwag kang mag-think ng mga negative kasi the more energy you put into it, magkakatotoo siya. So, dapat alisin mo yan. And dapat kang always relax ka, pag there are times na parang nape-pressure yung brain mo, labas ka lang guys, take a moment of yourself, no? Kasi ganyan talaga ang buhay. Kahit nasa husband ko, meron ding mga moments. Kasi, yung soul mo gusto din na maka-experience ng other things. Kasi life will be boring if walang mga spices in life, yung ganon. Pero, if you already know how to handle it, how you can process your emotions, dealing with energy, mabilis siya guys. Kasi sa akin, parang akong dragon sa asawa ko ngayon eh. Yung, tapos, after a few hours, like, what did I do that? Like, that was funny. Yung ganon. I can do that already with my husband now. Before, it's like I have to really keep my emotions. Kaya nakakasakit ako, But now, no. I can blur out my anger. Tapos, sabi ko, if he can just understand. Mas gusto pa nga niya, i-blow out pa yung anger ko kasi nag-keep it. Like, I will be silent. Parang ayaw niyang maging silent ako. Gusto niya yung, okay, show me how anger is in you. Yung ganon. And I already show him what my anger is. And he's like, oh, is this how you get angry? Ko, yeah, in this world. In this world, but in my dream world, I'm not like this, So, guys? Ano ba yung sinabi pa ni Aiko na baka sa simbahan sila, no? Magka-end. So, let's just hope for the best of them for saan naman papatungo ang relasyon, 'di ba? Sa simbahan din naman, 'di ba? Marriage certificate or stamp your name together in a sheet of paper doesn't really matter, Ang matter talaga, what really matters is yung kayo talaga nag-sealed kayo ng mga ng feelings, or you bound each other towards your common goal, towards your common feelings, no? So, dapat baseline talaga love, compassion, and understanding, and respect, no? Dapat yan talaga. Kasi pag wala yan, kasi yan talaga foundation. Kahit sino, okay? Kahit sino, kahit hindi mo yung hindi mo kilala basta alam mo yung the foundation of a human being is love, compassion, understanding, and respect. That's it, you guys. Life will be much easier for you. Kasi yun ang iniisip mo lagi na I come from love, Be compassionate to everybody, kasi hindi naman lahat na makita mo is masaya, Have the time to listen also. Listen to people, okay? So, at the end of this video, what can I say? Happy ako. Kasi, kasi love love. I like love. Mas masaya, mas magaan, guys, pag ang topic is love, no? Kaysa mga chismis. Actually, guys, ang bigat, no? Yung mga previous, video ko na may maraming views, actually, guys, ang bigat ng energy. Hindi ko siya type, actually. Hindi ko siya type. Kahit na konti yung views ko about topic of love, okay lang. Kasi mas masaya. Mas magaan, mas comfortable ako, mas maganda ang pakiramdam ko. Kaysa yung mga chismis na grabe ang impact sa energy, nakaka-drain, parang iki talaga sa katawan, guys. Iki. Actually, nagkasakit ako niya sa mga ganun Kaya, from now on, I really choose what topic now to mention. Basta, ang foundation ko about positivity, doon ako mag-focus. I'm not gonna focus on whatever I know, kahit na trending yon. I don't wanna get involved with that kind of world kasi hindi na ako doon. I chose a world that is different. I chose a world that is more positive, that is more lighter for my sanity, for my soul and my spirit, and what is good for my body. Kasi pag love ang pag-usapan, pag yung self-service ka sa mga tao, yung mga ganun, mas magaan ang pakiramdam, nakakatulog ka ng mahimbing, I always sleep better naman at night kasi I always let go of whatever emotions I hold towards the day, I don't hold any emotions in every single day. Yan, nakaka-drain, yan ka nakakasakit. Nakakasakit lang ako, guys, kasi nga may, tayo Earth's heartbeat or like the sun's radiation is really different. So, nakakasakit tayo. Doon lang talaga ako nakasakit. Pag may shift ng pole, yung ganun, nakakasakit ako. So, now I feel better. And then, I also know that I've been doing shadow work. Yung inner healing, guys, yung mga hindi mo naisip ba na, hindi ko pala na na-release ng mga bad, thoughts, ganun. So, yeah. So, that's it. That's my take, guys. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na to, no? So, wag kayong mag-isip ng masama, guys, ha? Maging masaya tayo sa mga taong nag-iibigan, umiibig, at mag-wish na iibig, okay? Sa mga taong na gustong iibig, mag-comment kayo, guys. Ano ba yung problema nyo? What is your problem with your life, no? Comment kayo, guys. Comment kayo sa akin. Let me read let me read you, okay? Kung ano ba talaga yung nyo. I'm not gonna do any one-on-one, guys, kasi nakaka-drain sa energy, and I chose people whom I'm going to talk now. I choose my energy. I focus on my energy now. So, I'm really prohibiting any PMs now or direct messages. I'm not gonna do that anymore. Unless there is a need, talagang kailangan, especially nakakasakit, yung mga ganon. Yun lang ang exceptions. But other than that, I choose not to. Because I care so much now with my energy, especially sa family ko. I don't want to spread energy coming from other people, tapos spread ko sa family ko. I'm not gonna do that anymore because I value my family now. So, that's it. I have to just take care of my energy from now on. Okay? I choose which people, or to whom I would give my energy. But for now, magiging ako, guys, selfish ako. I can only give advices here online. So I can only give you my opinion and share whatever I can share. So just ask me questions and I'll be happy to answer. So shoot now. Ano ba sa mga pag-ibig, sa mga problema, yung ganun, bakit lagi kayong nagaganyan? So, shoot me a question, okay? Huwag kayong mahiya, mag-comment na kayo, ano ba ang mga problema nyo sa pag-ibig, okay? Let's answer that, okay? I will try my best, kasi sa talaga yan, sa soul's journey nyo yan, okay? Hindi nyo lang talaga alam. Pero actually, nasa birth chart kasi yan. Mabilis naman maagapan basta open ka lang. So that's it. That's my take for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.